The liver, often dubbed the body's chemical factory, is an unsung hero working tirelessly behind the scenes. It's the second largest organ and a multitasking marvel, juggling over 500 crucial functions. From detoxifying your blood of harmful chemicals, aiding digestion by producing bile, to storing essential vitamins and minerals, this powerhouse keeps your body's internal environment in balance. Yet it's easy to take the liver for granted until something goes wrong. Every morsel we consume has a direct impact on its health. With modern diets loaded with processed foods and toxins, the liver often bears the brunt of our indulgences. So, what if the key to rejuvenating this vital organ was on our plates? Dive in to uncover foods that could be your liver's saving grace. 1. Beets and beet greens. If your liver could send you a shopping list, beets would be on the top. Rich in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, they stimulate and improve overall liver function. Moreover, the beet greens, yes, those leaves you usually discard, are among the most potent food sources in cleansing the blood and handling waste, helping in detoxifying the liver. 2. Turmeric. Welcome to the golden spice that's more than just a flavor enhancer. Turmeric is a superfood that is renowned for its healing properties. The active ingredient, curcumin, makes it a liver's best friend. Turmeric not only protects the liver from damage but also encourages regeneration of liver cells. Moreover, it boosts natural bile production, aiding in breaking down and removing excess fat from the liver. 3. Leafy green vegetables. From spinach to Swiss chard, the darker and leafier, the better. These greens neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides that can burden the liver. Consuming them increases bile flow, a cleansing compound that helps in breaking down and removing toxins. 4. Avocados. Apart from being deliciously creamy, avocados are powerhouses of liver health. This superfood assists the liver in detoxifying synthetic chemicals due to its richness in glutathione, an antioxidant that's crucial for filtering out harmful substances and protecting liver cells from damage. 5. Walnuts. Hold a walnut, and you'll notice it resembles a tiny brain. But did you know it's beneficial for the liver too? Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and amino acid arginine, walnuts support the detoxification process. Their high glutathione content further aids the liver in its cleansing roles. 6. Apples. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, but also the toxins at bay. Rich in pectin, apples hold the chemical constitution needed to cleanse and release toxins from the digestive tract. This, in turn, makes it easier for the liver to handle the toxin load during its cleansing process. Our liver is akin to a diligent guardian, tirelessly working to ensure we're in tip-top shape. As we navigate a world full of tempting treats and sneaky toxins, it's our duty to arm this guardian with the right tools. The likes of beets, turmeric, and apples are nature's way of equipping us. Embrace these foods, and you're not just boosting your liver, but ensuring overall health. If you found this content enlightening, please share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more invaluable insights into healthy living. Let's journey together towards a healthier tomorrow. If you found this content valuable, please share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful tips and updates.